Hi students, good evening. Welcome to this video session. I remain Samuel Chukwuemeka, aka Samdom for Peace. In this video session, we shall use a Google Spreadsheet to draw a truth table for a logical statement. So you can either use a Google Spreadsheet or you can also use Excel. I decided to use Google Spreadsheets because it is free. Microsoft Excel is not free as at the time of recording this video. For you to use the Google Spreadsheets, you need a Gmail account, and a Gmail account is free. So I am hoping that you have a Gmail account, and if you don't, you can create one, and if you do, then you can proceed from here. So I'm going to type in spreadsheets.google.com. spreadsheets.google.com. That was what I typed in. I can also type it in here, spreadsheets.google.com. So you can go to your web browser and you type it in. I'm gonna do this Times New Roman, and I will do it 16. So this was what I typed in on the browser, spreadsheets.google.com, and that's it. So you will sign in. Okay, you will sign in. I'm signing in on my own. You just sign in with the same Gmail account that you have. That is the username and your email and your password that you use for your Gmail is also the email and password that you use for Google Spreadsheets. The same thing. So if you do that, you will have something like this. Your own, you might not have all this, but you will have, once you sign in, you have at least this. Start a new spreadsheet, blank. So you click on it, okay? And this is untitled spreadsheet, so I'm going to give it a title. So you just click on it to give it a title, and I will call this truth table. Truth tables. No, truth table 1. In this video, we shall do truth table for negation, disjunction, and conjunction. You watch out for another video where we will do the rest, the exclusive disjunction, the conditional, and the biconditional. But for this video, we are going to do the negation. Let me go ahead and type it here. Negation, the disjunction, which is the or, and the conjunction. Okay, actually, before you start viewing this video, please, it is important that you have viewed these videos. Let's go to my mobile-friendly site, www.chukwuemeka-samuel.appspot.com. This is another site that I have that is mobile-friendly, www.chukwuemeka-samuel.appspot.com. So I'm going to click on mathematics, and I will click on discrete math. You can click on finite math or discrete math. whichever one. And when you click on it, under the videos, you see logic and truth tables. So logic and truth tables. It's important before you view this video that you have viewed everything here. That you viewed these 10 videos is important. Actually, the question that we shall do in this video is here. It's in this video. So it's very important that you know these 10 videos. You are actually using this Google Spreadsheet to check your work to see whether it's right. So the question we did in this video, we are going to use Google Spreadsheet to check it. We will. And that question is in 2223. Okay, when you watch that video is on the this video right here, Module 2 Homework Part 1, Propositional Logic. So the question we are going to do is on the 2223, 22 minutes and 23 seconds. And the compound logical proposition is what we are going to type in, what I'm going to type in now. So this is P or. I'm going to press here and get the or. I'll click here. I go to operators and I look for or. This is or, logical or. Okay, P or, not Q. Not Q. I know not Q we said this week, the tilde sign. You can also have not Q as this sign here. Not Q. Okay, not sign, negation. So this is P or not Q. And is the conjunction. This is our and. Not P. Not P. Negation. Negation. Let's go to basic math. Not P. Or operators. Or not P or Q. So this is the P or not Q and not P or Q. This was the question we did in that video here. And we are going to use Google Spreadsheet to, let me make this bigger so you guys can see it. We're going to use Google Spreadsheet to check whether we did it right, to verify our answer. So this is our negation here, not. This is our disjunction, and this is our conjunction. So after we have done it in this video here. We've done it in this video here. Okay, 22 minutes, 23 seconds. So we are going to use Google Spreadsheet to do it and see whether it is correct. All right, let's get started. So I get back to this here. So I have my P, I have the P, I have Q, I have a not Q, not Q, I have P or not Q, okay, I have not P, I have not P or Q, and then I have the last one, P or not Q, and I hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. I hope so. And not P or Q. All right, this is what I have here in that video. So you want to make sure that everything is on the same row. You want to make sure, okay? And this is what we are doing here, right here. This is what we are doing here. This is what we are doing here. I'm pasting it here. Okay. Let me just let me see whether I can fill this color so that you guys can see that this is the main thing we are doing here. I might just put this right here. Let me put it right here. Okay. All right. We can actually make this beautiful, but that's fine. So we will have our in the spreadsheets, you have to type it as true, false, false. You're not gonna use you will not use TTFF. No. We in spreadsheet we use the Boolean in full, true in full, and false in full. And you know, I would like to center all these. I wanna center it, so I click here and I put it in the center. I highlighted it and then I clicked the align and then I put it in the center. Okay, for Q it is true, false, true, false. Okay. All right. Now, negation of Q is now where we start. We only need one line, and then we will use the fill handle. You know, one nice thing about spreadsheets is that you only need one line, and you can use the fill handle to populate the other cells. So this is negation, and then we ask ourselves, what is the command for negation? So let's say you do not know the command for negation. Let's say we don't know the command. There are two things you can do. You can just press equal to call the function, and you type negate. As you type negate, negative binomial distribution, you see it's not giving you negation. So we can just go here actually and look up the command for negation. So we click here on this function right here, functions, and you want to go to more functions. So it will open up a new tab. Google is not paying me for this, okay? They are not paying me for this, but you know, I just want to show you another spreadsheet that is free, and that is Google Spreadsheet. It's free. Microsoft Excel is not free, but whatever we are doing here in Google Spreadsheets, you can do in Microsoft Excel. You can. So once you get, you get to more functions, it opens up a new window. You can, here, you just want to type negation, and it didn't come up with anything. So let's look at not. We didn't see anything here, no problem. Let's look at logic and see logic. So we see logical true, logical or, logical not. So this is not. Not is the command that we're gonna use, not. Okay, and we have logical AND. Okay, so like I said, this video we will talk about just these 3 functions. Next video we talk about the rest. So here we now type equal to and we type not. As you type it, it comes up. Just click on it. IntelliSense, we call it IntelliSense. You click on it and you just select Q, because that is what we are trying to do. You just click on this first one only. Just click on the first one, okay? And then you click on it, you close the parenthesis, and you press the enter key. Okay? It puts it as false. Then you click back on it, and you use your fill handle. You use your fill handle and drag it. Drag it here, it populates it right away. Okay? Then you come here, you come over here, and you just click on the first line, you press equal to get it, and this is all. So you type all. As you type it, it comes up, logical OR operator. You click on it, and you want to get, just do it first line, okay? You get the P, okay? And you know you are doing P and not Q. So I put comma, and then I get not Q here. And then you close it. You close the parenthesis. You press enter. Okay? True or false is true. And then you click back on this, and you use the fill handle. Don't put it in the middle. Okay? You don't put it in the middle. You use the fill handle, drag it till it reaches the 4th row. Okay, because this is 4 rows. Row 9 till it reaches row 9, and release it. And you see that, okay, it is true, true, false, true. You come to P, you press equal to call the function. Equal to calls the function. You press not. You click on not. You get to P, just the first one, and you close close the parenthesis, press enter, and then you click back on this, and you use the fill handle to drag it until it populates that. Don't go beyond row 9, okay, please. Just stop at row 9. And that gives you that. You come over here. This is all. Okay. Now this all we are looking at, not P or Q. Okay. And if you want to put this in columns, that's up to you, like I did in the video. If you want to put it in columns, you can do that, like I did in that video. So we click on this, we press equal to call the function, and we type in all. We click on this to select all, and then we go to not P, which is this. Okay, we put a comma, and then we press Q, and then we close the parenthesis, and we press the enter key. Gives us this. We click back on this, okay, and we use the fill handle to drag it here until it populates it. Then the last one, we click on it, press equal to, and the last one is and. So we type in and, we click on this. You know this and is uppercase. Always click on this. Once the IntelliSense brings the pop up, you click on that pop up. Then you go to P or not Q, just the first one. We click on it, we put a comma, and then we go to not P or Q. We click on it, and we close it. We press the enter key, gives us true. We click back on this, and we use the fill handle to populate this. Okay, and this becomes our answer. If you want, you can highlight this, you know, just like we centered it. I just highlighted it and I centered it. Okay, this is left align, this is center align, and the other one is right align. But you can actually, what I'm trying to do is you can fill the color if you want to. We can fill this color, kind of make it nice, you know. Okay, and that is it for truth table 1. It is, the nice thing about this is that it is saved already. So it is saved in your Google Drive. That is the nice thing about this. Google has a lot of nice apps to work with. Actually, I've done presentations on Google Apps. Okay, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you for watching this video, and watch out for the next one. Have a good evening.